Hello everyone. Last week you saw the unboxing of this MacBook Air M1 8GB RAM 256GB SSD. Today I am going to review this MacBook. This is very portable and very lightweight when it comes to other laptops, and this has a very slim design where it's very comfortable when you are typing. And let's go to Safari and we'll go for type testing by using 10 fast fingers. It's 35 WPM. Let's play some music and see. Let's open Safari and go to YouTube, and let's play some NCS music and we'll test the sound of this. We'll turn it. Now let's close Safari and we will open the camera to check the Facetime Camera, and let's launch the photo booth to test the video of this. Hello, and let's try a video. Hello, testing 1 2 3 with the MacBook Air M1 web camera 720p. And guys, the battery of this can go for 15 hours of web search and 18 hours of video playback. Guys, let's run some Cinebench and other benchmarks now. And thank you guys. Now use the review of MacBook Air M1 8GB RAM and 256GB. I was running the benchmarks and stuff, but it's not heating even though there is no fan inside to cool this. Thank you guys. Please subscribe, like and share. We'll see you in a new video. Thank you. Bye. Peace.